What is up, people? It's your boy Mighty Reds, and in this review we will test how to get the latest working and updated Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily, guys. Click on Delta Executor. It should load up real quick. And then, guys, we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. For me, it's much easier to enter username, guys. And don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So just click connect account. It will start fetching our Roblox profile. And, guys, we should get this confirmation. So if it's your account, just click yes, connect, and boom. That's pretty much it. We're successfully connected. Now we will click import newest Delta Executor, and if you want, you can select additional scripts to install along your Delta. So guys, click on this drop down. You can Google those scripts and see what they do. So I will continue with these 4 scripts, and guys, we will just make sure that it's actually working. So let's test it. I will click continue after this, and API will start connecting. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, because I'll record it more and I will review more websites. And look at this, guys. API is successfully connected. Our Delta Executor is ready, and now we will have this activation key. Guys, we also got this. Look at this. But it's currently unrevealed, and we will click I'm not a robot, because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts, and let's see what we'll get. So boom, look at this, guys. Verification successful. Delta Executor is imported to your account. Guys, look at this. Our key is now fully revealed. Look at this, guys. We got fully activated Delta. So now the last step is to open our Roblox and to test, is it actually working? So guys, I cannot wait to see, are we actually getting our Delta? Let's test on Blocks Fritz, for example. Let's click play. I like this game. So guys, let's wait for this loading screen, and then we will make sure that we will actually get Delta. And let's see now. Oh my God, guys, look at this. We got Delta Executor successfully imported. Look at this, guys. Thank you for using Delta. We got it successfully. I cannot believe, guys. Now we will test it. So you can you can find scripts there by typing blocks, Fritz, or any game you like, guys, and boom, look at this. You will get all those scripts. You click there, execute, and let's test for imported scripts, guys. Nice. Overflow for Solix and Nikius, just as we imported, guys. I will click execute or Nikius, for example, and let's see, are we actually getting it? And look at this. It's sick, guys. I didn't expect this. We got this script imported, and now we can do literally whatever you like. So just click farm, for example, and look at this. It will start farming automatically. And now, guys, you can use your Delta and import literally whatever you like. Look at this, guys. I'm literally shaking because I didn't expect this to work, to be honest, guys. Bloxforge.com was the only working website so far I have tested. So that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below, and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.